Vulnerability scanning using Nessus. Nessus is an open-source network vulnerability scanner that uses the common vulnerabilities and exposures architecture for easy cross-linking between compliant security tools. Nessus employs the Nessus attack scripting language, a simple language that describes individual threat and potential attack. Nessus has modular architecture consisting of centralized servers that conduct scanning and remote client that allow for administrator interaction. Nessus capability includes compatible with computers and server of all size, detection of security hole in local or remote host, detection of missing security update and patches, and simulate attack to pinpoint contained environment and schedule security audits. So let's demonstrate how we can use Nessus. Here you can see I've already installed Nessus software in my Windows 10 operating system. Here you can see New Scan button, just click on it. And here lots of scanner facilities available. Here I am using evaluation mode. So some options are not able to use. So it is showing upgrade. You can see we can audit cloud infrastructure, bad log detection, bad shell shock detection, basic network scan, internal PCI network scan, credential patch audit, malware scans. So there is a lots of options available to scan for network. Let me use advanced scan. Just click on advanced scan and define name of this scan, test_demo, in which folder you want to create this custom scan. I will create under folder my scan. Define target PC or network information. I have a target machine 192.168.159.149. So let me use IP address of 192.168.159.149. You can also define whole network using /24. Now you can see if you have a credential information, so you can define credential for like SNMP version 3. If you have any authentication password, you can define here for SNMP version 3, like you are using administrator. So give administrator as a username and define password of the target machine if we are using as authentication. But I don't have any credentials like that, so I am not using. Just click on save. If you have Windows machine, you can define password of Windows. Let me define administrator and password of target machine. And save. Here I have operating system. It is Windows Server 2012 and I've created LDAP server in it. So I have to give domain name, it's IT Nuggets. So it is required to configure it again. Just click on test demo and now need to configure and define credentials for Windows machine. And authentication method is password, domain name is itnuggets.local. Username is administrator and password is and just click on save button. And now you can back to the scan and just you need to click on this launch icon. It will scan whole network. You can see result by clicking on test_demo and it is running. Still we didn't found any vulnerabilities on the target host machine. It will take few minutes or an hour, but you can also use demo that I have already scanned for vulnerabilities. I found 57 vulnerabilities in target host and you can see information of particular vulnerability by just click on it and you can see information about it. Scan result. Just click on it and you will find complete description of vulnerability and you will also find solution of the vulnerabilities. So let me back. Just click on test demo and here you can see we found some vulnerabilities in the target machine. Like we have 4 vulnerabilities. Like here SMP multiple issue. Microsoft Windows SMB service detection. Netbus service detection. Just click on it. It will give you information for this machine. Here you can see vulnerability detail. Still scanning is running. It will take a few minutes more. So let me close this video. Hope you understand how you can scan vulnerability using Nessus. Thank you for watching this video.